When you open your ALEKO Artificial Indoor Christmas Holiday Tree, your kit will include 3 sections of tree, 1 metal stand, and all the hardware needed for assembly. Rotate the legs of the tree stand so the holes at the top of the stand align with one another. Insert the base section of the tree into the tree stand. And secure the base of the tree to the metal tree stand using the enclosed wing nuts. Insert the middle section of the tree into the top of the base section of the tree. Then insert the top section of the tree into the top of the middle section of the tree. Spread the branches of the tree, filling any holes, and enjoy the hassle-free holidays.